Look.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Day!
It's Christmas.
What's this? Birthday or Christmas?
No, no.
Who are this?
Little elves.
Are you open na?
Yes, baby.
Okay. This one. Open.
The polka dots.
Huh?
The stars, polka dot stars.
This one?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Diyos ko bata lang. Right? I will
Yeah.
more gift. Mouthwash.
Good timing.
Good
timing, yeah.
Good timing because I have sore throat.
I was thinking smelly breath.
Wow. This one next.
Yes, yeah.
Ang daming gift. Iba ka talaga, Tessie. Hulo! What is this?
The food.
Another food.
I love you. Biko. Oh, sticky rice pudding. Thank you. Ala, Diyos ko.
You're 3 now.
Wow. Ay, teka lang. Anya. Wait na. Ay! Alas. Then, next. Ano ito? Wow.
Wow.
Oh, Snoopy. Cutie. May bago na Ay, Mickey Mouse pala. Mickey Mouse. I thought it's Snoopy. Thank you. Ang ganda. Excuse me.
Yan, open mo yung akin yan. That's mine.
Ito muna. Mukhang food na naman, Day, eh.
Which means you're a foodie.
Wow, sapin-sapin!
Wow!
You try this. Happy! Yan tayo, Tesmin eh. Mga, sure ha? Pero namiss ko to, Day. Sapin-sapin. Next. Ito yung kanina to. Sa'yo?
Oh.
Wow. For a lovely friend.
Oh.
You're someone very special. A friend who's always there. Thanks for being so lovely and for the times we share.
Oh. Wait mo na basahin.
Mamaya na to,
Naiiyak ka lang
Is that
eh.
meant for
She will
someone else?
cry.
Is it meant for someone else, that?
Yeah, it's not for I think it's for yes.
Yeah. I will open this.
Yeah, that's mine.
From picture, baby. Show her. Wow! Ang arte! Pamantama sa aking face lock. Thank you, Miss! For no cleansing. Ito nakikita niyo na ako naman. Ay, sino kayo kumulam sa akin, charot? Thank you, Day! Next. Wag na yung card, Day. May iyak.
The tall one.
Tall one.
Yeah.
From Marquez.
From yun, baby.
Oh.
Christmas yarn. Mga ka-reels, ganito po talaga sila magbigay. What's this? Wow!
Yes!
Podcast!
Oh.
Kit! Ay, vlogger na vlogger. Thank
For
you!
professional.
But I don't know how to,
You will.
start this.
Professional vlogging experience.
Thank you! Wow! Diyos mio. This one, baby.
Yeah.
Iba talaga yung mouthwash dun. Yun yung nagdala, mouthwash yun. Ay!
Oh,
Wow!
Too much.
Girl!
Wow.
Yay!
The right colour for the shoes, yeah?
Yeah. Machi-machi. Dagger. Thank you, love. Ang ganda. Ito ang nagdadala kay Kurt eh. Siyempre,
It's very nice, girl.
very me. Very me. Last, baby.
Last, yeah.
It's very heavy, Dai.
Mm.
What's that, girl? It's very heavy.
Picture frame.
Picture frame.
Nah, just kidding.
Wow, what's this?
Turn it over. Other side. Yep.
Wow!
It's to go with your microphones.
HP
Yeah.
laptop. Thank
Yep.
you for vlogging.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use, but I will do it. I'm gonna use this. for
Okay,
sure.
very good.
Thank you, darling.
Welcome.
Kiss.
Lahat. Use your mouthwash, please.
Thank you. Okay na.